Hi fellas, welcome. So this is another video. I'm going to teach you 5 psychological tricks that will make any girl chase you. Don't forget to hit the subscription button that you won't miss any of my videos whenever we upload. So number 1, we're going to use what we call the bachelor effect. Bachelor effect is one girl want a guy and they will also want this guy. They call it bachelor effect. They start think that this guy might be good because every girl wants him. To make this work, have more option or at least act. Number 2, we call it nail the first impression. Always try to nail your impression in front of any girl. Don't be awkward and clingy on your first impression. Try to keep cool, be confident, and show your dominance at the first time you meet the girl. Girls love confident guys. Number 3, friend zone her. Now, this might sound weird, but this works very well. Friend zoning her is like playing a reverse psychological trick on her. Girls ain't used to being friend zoned. So when you friend zone her, they are gonna be confused and go crazy thinking about you. Number 4, play hard to get. Never be a simp at the first time you talk to her. You should talk less and listen more about her. I taught you that about how to do that. Don't tell her everything about yourself the first time you meet her. Be mysterious and playing hard to get. Girls go crazy over things they can't have. Number 5, cancel her. Don't be available for her all the time. I always do that in my videos. Go into my videos, you see more video that will teach you that. Have a life of your own and work on your position or your purpose. Not a lot of guys cancel on dates with girls, and when you do it, she will think of you as an exception. Never keep her your first priority. This way she will chase you. Okay guys, hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscription button, and also if you want to talk to me one-on-one, DM me on Instagram, Best Media UG1. Then I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.